I saw the crazy advertisements on YouTube for this LuxBlaze lighter. They say they worked with NASA to make it. It's military grade. It doesn't need any type of fuel. They claim it's windproof. We're going to find out, is this thing legit? Is it even a nice product? Does it live up to the expectations? We're going to review this thing. Now, most of the videos I can find reviewing this seem like they're made by AI, and the reviewer doesn't even seem to own the product. So it's sad that there's so many people reviewing something that they don't even have. But I've got one right here, and we're going to test to see if it burns through a can. And we're going to talk about the bullcrap. So first off, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can see the flame. Now you can change the color of the flame from blue to red, but there's a little metal ring in there, and if you want the flame to turn blue, you got to pop that thing out with a flathead screwdriver. It's got a huge flame. It's actually kind of a cool product, to tell you the truth. Now on the YouTube advertisement, they claim this is an electric lighter. It doesn't need any butane. It doesn't need any fuel, and you charge it with a USB port. But unfortunately, this is just a simple butane lighter, so I had to go out and buy some cans of butane and wait another day or two for those to show up before I could even test out the lighter. So bottom line is, this is nothing like they claim. They say this uses Tesla technology. They worked with NASA. It's military grade. I mean, honestly, I don't think any of those things are true. The build quality is pretty decent, but there's one huge flaw. So when you go to adjust the flame, let me turn this on. So that's full flame. In a second, it's going to turn red. And if I turn the little thing to lower the flame, at some point, it actually just turns off completely. So you can't get a low flame on this, unfortunately. Well, that's the best I've ever got it. Oh, there it just goes off. So honestly, the flame control is a little bit wonky. Now, the other problem that I have with this lighter, and you'll notice this when we do the test where we try to burn through the can, because they say this thing will just cut right through cans or metal on the YouTube advertisement. But one of the problems is this thing does burn through butane pretty fast. I mean, you might be able to have this on for 2 to 3 minutes before it runs out of fuel. You'll notice in the video when we do the test, after about maybe a minute or so, the flame goes from big and then it kind of starts to slow down. So this thing doesn't have a huge run time. It doesn't go all freaking day long like they claim off of one USB charge because, well, it does use butane and it runs out of it somewhat quickly. So right now we've got the flame going full force. This is on a full charge of butane, or a full fuel of butane, whatever you want to call it. And so far that's looking pretty impressive, but honestly, it's not what they're saying. We still haven't burned through the can yet. I mean, we're getting pretty close, I would say, but we're still having a hard time actually getting a hole in the can. So this is not cutting through metal like it's some sort of a torch whatsoever. I think they said it burns at like 18,000 or 18 bazillion degrees or something, but unfortunately, I don't think that's true. I did find a claim showing the actual temperature that this burns at, and it's, I don't know, it was like 1800 degrees or 2000 or something like that, but it wasn't like the huge amount that they claimed on that YouTube advertisement. So if you notice right now, we're starting to lose some of the flame, meaning this thing is starting to run out of butane fuel already, which is kind of a bummer. So, I mean, you might get 1 to 3 minutes. Now, I'm not 100% sure if I filled it up all the way. I think I filled it up as much as possible, but I don't really use butane lighters, so I'm pretty sure I gave it a full charge before I started this. I can't guarantee it, but pretty sure I got all the butane in there that it would hold, as far as I could tell. But yeah, I mean, it's just not, it's having a hard time. It's having a really hard time at this point. So that's what you get right there. It doesn't cut through metal like a torch whatsoever. It will melt a tin can, but it takes a while. It takes quite a while. It's struggling, to tell you the truth. So that's pretty much what you can expect if you try to melt a can with this thing. So yeah, not too terribly interesting. Not too terribly good, I guess you would say. Quite disappointing. I think that's what I was trying to get out right there. This is quite disappointing, according to what they claim on the YouTube advertisement. So yeah, good old LuxBlaze lighter, guys and gals. Yeah, pretty cool, but not what they say it is. So if you go over to Amazon, you're going to find all kinds of these lighters. on different name brands, but they're the exact same thing. Basically, some company manufactures this, multiple companies buy them and put their own name brand on them. So LuxBlaze is just one of the many people selling these, which is something I found out after I ordered this. I mean, you can find these way cheaper on Amazon than buying them off of that website that you see on YouTube that's advertising these things. Now, if you go over to Amazon, a lot of these do show you that this is actually a butane lighter. They at least show you that there's a butane fuel port on the bottom, but the advertisement on YouTube basically straight up lies to you about everything, which is terrible. But yeah, I mean, you can get these for 20 bucks. I mean, on some websites, they do come in all kinds of different colors. I mean, this one is listed as LuxBlaze, but down here it says the name brand is something else. So I don't know. If you want to make sure you get the actual same one that you saw on the YouTube ad, you want to go over to this website here. All right, so this website here is luxblazelighter.net. Now, this seems to be the honest. So this one pretty much tells you what this is. It does say that it's a butane lighter, and this website doesn't seem to be lying to you or misleading you whatsoever. Now, the normal price is $79.98, but they're selling this to you for $37.75, but you can get the exact same thing on Amazon for 20 bucks. Maybe 15 bucks. Now, if you go over to this website right here, it doesn't quite seem to be as honest about what you're getting. This is like the luxblazelighter.com website. So there's a .com and a .net version of this website. This one you can buy at a 50% discount. And it does say 2,300 degree plasma flame. Maybe it does go at 2,000 degrees. I don't know what the YouTube ad said. Let me see if I can find out what they said exactly. All right, so let's just go over some of the things they claim. I can't find the actual temperature they listed, but the no gas, no butane claim, this is actually false. It's a butane lighter. Military grade ion pulsing technology. I really don't know what that is, but it's just a basic electric lighter and nothing too exciting. Cuts through metal with ease. This says the reality is you're probably expecting a 1,300 to 1,400 Celsius flame. The website did say 2,000 something, so I'm not really sure which one is correct, but on the actual ad, they gave some ridiculous thing like 18,000 degrees or something like that and claimed it would just cut through metal like a torch, but it doesn't. They did say something about NASA engineered. I really don't think that's true whatsoever. They make claims like, oh yeah, you'll never have to refill the lighter. You know, you just charge it with a USB and it makes its own flame from plasma arc Tesla coil technology. And well, that's not true. You got to fill the darn thing up. And as you can see, it runs out of butane somewhat quickly. So yeah, not what they claim on the YouTube advertisements. Now, I'm not going to lie to you guys. I really do like this lighter. It's a very cool lighter. It's a fun toy. I mean, if I ever need to light something on fire really quick, like if I'm out camping or doing something like that and I need to light a fire, this will be awesome for that. Or like, let's just say the electricity goes off and I need to light my gas stove. I can just turn on the gas, light this up really quick. It's going to light that gas stove pretty much instantly. So, I mean, this is a cool product, but it's, it's just a basic, neat torch lighter that runs off of butane, and that's really all it is. So it's nothing like the claims on the YouTube advertisement or even some of the websites. If you're looking for a cool torch lighter and you don't want to spend too much money, this might be something to look at. But again, it's just a basic butane torch lighter with a, a clicky thingy that makes a spark and a poorly made adjustable flame that, well, didn't work great, but it's a cool product.
Thanks for watching my video. I hate to say, but it's time to go. Maybe you can watch another one. That might be really fun. Thanks for watching my video.